Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing fake lawyers. And unfortunately, we see this a lot out here in Southeast Asia. There's a lot of basically hucksters who claim to be lawyers that are not in fact qualified, or they go by the term visa service or visa agent, whatever. It's very clear, pursuant to 8 CFR 292.1 under U.S. law, that only an attorney is entitled to charge fees for providing immigration services. The thing to take away from this video is the specific notion of we will see correspondence often from these individuals who are pretending to be lawyers, attorneys with respect to U.S. immigration matters. We'll see correspondence between them and their clients, so-called. Basically, and one of the things I've seen rather frequently in these emails is the client will try to ascertain their credentials, and they'll ask something along the lines of, "Can I see your license? Where'd you go to law school?" You know, those kind of questions, basically trying to ascertain if they are a genuine attorney, if they are truly qualified to provide the services they're claiming. And I've seen this response many, many times. "Oh, you don't need a license to do immigration work," or "it's not legal work, so a law license isn't required." That's just nonsense. That's not the case at all. And in point of fact, yes, you do. Pursuant to the law I previously mentioned, 8 CFR 292.1, it's clearly stipulated in there that attorneys are the only ones that can provide these types of services for fees. Under certain contexts, certain nonprofit organizations may be able to provide certain immigration-related services, but again, in a nonprofit capacity. So those who are out there saying, "Oh, you don't need to be a lawyer to do this," be leery of that. And it's something that those who are looking to come to the United States should be very leery of, because it's been our experience that these folks that do this oftentimes will also tell their client, well, I shouldn't say clients, tell people to, for example, lie to the government under certain circumstances, or make things up, or change things with respect to their applications, or they will just bungle the process because they don't understand how it works. And simply, there's certain people that simply believe, "Oh, because I can read the forms, I will go ahead and that will be fine with respect to, being able to help someone." It's not at all. The forms are not the end-all be-all with respect to the process. There's a great deal of jurisprudence underlying the forms. There's a great deal of jurisprudence underlying the instructions to the forms. And then there's a great deal of jurisprudence out there with respect to U.S. immigration generally. U.S. immigration is a very narrow body of law insofar as what it covers, but it's very deep. It's not unlike tax to a certain degree, although tax tends to affect a much broader segment of the population, whereas immigration tends to affect a much more narrow segment of the population. These bodies of law are no less deep. And even small errors can cause serious problems under certain circumstances for folks coming to the U.S. So ascertaining the credentials of an individual is key if you're looking to have professional legal services provided with respect to U.S. immigration. And don't take, "Oh, you don't have to have a license for this," for an answer. That's just nonsense. Yes, one does need to have a license to provide this type of service. And frankly, from the client perspective, having someone who's not licensed assist in this can actually cause more harm and trouble than, in certain circumstances, simply doing it oneself. So again, look up the qualifications, understand their certifications of the folks that you're looking to have assist you in U.S. immigration, because failure to do so can have dire consequences. We hope you find our videos insightful. If so, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can receive up-to-date notifications of legal news in Thailand and the United States.